Hello, this is Mr. Jason, and today we are going to draw Baby Yoda. This is Jasmine's choice. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to need a pencil, an eraser, if you make a mistake. If you want to color it later, you'll need markers, crayons, pencils, or something like that to do that. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my Sharpie instead of the pencil or eraser, just so that it's easier to see. I strongly recommend the pencil and eraser. It's much easier to fix a mistake if you make one. Okay, we're going to start by drawing with the paper in landscape. That's where it's very wide, not quite as tall. Landscape. And in the middle of the paper, we're going to draw two shapes. This is the kind of the scarf area for Baby Yoda, for the clothes that he's wearing. We're going to start with a line just straight up and down. And then slightly diagonal, and with just a little wiggle, we're going to make that line. And another one right above it with a little bit of a wiggle to it as well. And then we're going to draw another diagonal line, connect those. Then, from this corner, we're going to come down a little bit and draw a diagonal line going the opposite direction. Again, with just a little bit of a wiggle because it's fabric. Straight line up and down. And then we're going to make a similar diagonal line with just a little bit of unevenness to it. Since this was a little bit shorter than that one, I'm going to connect them, fix that mistake, and then I'm going to draw a line straight up there. So I'm liking that quite a bit. I've got the two sides of the scarf area. I'm going to draw two curved lines. I'm going to come in just a little bit and draw a curved line on this side and a curved line on that side. Now this is probably the part of Baby Yoda that distinguishes him more than any other part. We're going to draw the ears. They're going to be long lines, but they're curved and they're pretty easy. We're going to start on the right side. We're going to come up from this cheek, just draw a curved line that goes almost to the edge of the paper. And we're going to draw one on the other side. My hand's going to get in the way because I'm very right-handed, but it's going to look the same. Start up a little bit on the cheek, kind of curve up and go almost all the way over to the other side. Now I'm going to imagine this is the bottom of the ear. I'm going to move up and just imagine where the top of the ear is and connect these. I'm going to go up, curve down, and connect those. I'm going to do the same over here. Here's the bottom of the ear. I'm going to try to line it up with this. See how I kind of imagine where that line starts. Bring it over here, start a dot, and then finish this ear. Now, Yoda's ears are always moving, always twitching, so if they don't look exactly the same, like mine don't, it is perfectly fine. It's a fictional creature, and those ears are moving, so yours are perfect just the way they are. I'm going to draw the top of his eyebrow ridge. It's another curved line. It's going to start above the cheek, move up about an inch, and then draw a curved line. My hand will be out of the way in just a moment. And I'm going to do the same over here. And then I'm going to draw the top of his head. I'm going to come about halfway over on this curved line and just draw a curved line all the way over there. To finish the ears, we're going to come over from the cheek and the bottom just a little bit, and just draw a curved line that goes all along the top line. So again, I'm going to go to the bottom of the ear, come over just a touch, draw a curved line towards the head, and then just a curved line that follows that line of that ear. We're going to draw Baby Yoda's eyes now. They're going to be big, they're going to be cute, they're going to be kind of football shaped. Between the eyebrow ridge and the cheek, we're going to draw a curved line. Do the same over here. And then we'll come to this, where this line ends, and draw a curved line going the opposite direction. We'll do the same over here. And underneath the eye, I'm going to draw just a curved line that just follows along the bottom of that eye and the top. Little one there too. Inside of football shapes, we're going to draw a curved line. And what I did is, inside the football shape, I just drew a curved line here and one here, and a circle in both eyes. Now right now that looks kind of creepy, but when you color in this part of the eye, the dark part of his eye, it looks less creepy. That's just to make it look shiny. Now we're going to draw the nose. Between these two eyes, we're going to draw just a straight line. And then two really short lines that go up and down. And then underneath, two little bitty curved lines. Underneath his eye over here, and underneath the eye over here. We're going to make two little curved lines for the smile. And we're going to connect them with a wavy line. We're going to curve down, come up a little bit, go down, and curve back up again. And then right here in the middle, a little bit of a lip. I'm going to add just a couple of brow lines in between the two eyes. We'll add a wavy line, and that's our Baby Yoda face. Now we're going to draw the rest of his body. From the bottom of this scarf area, diagonal line on each side. And he's got a cuff. It's a rectangle shape. On both sides. Draw a line coming down, and that just shows where his arms are. We're going to imagine that line goes under the cuff, come all the way down, draw a diagonal line. Do that on both sides. And connect those with a little carrot shape. Not the vegetable, a carrot is an arrow shape. I'm going to draw a line where the zipper would be and make it kind of wiggly. And make a couple of wrinkle lines. Under these two rectangles, we're going to draw a curved line and a triangle, a curved line and a triangle, and then come over here and finish that hand. Do the same over here, curved line, triangle, curved line and a triangle, and finish it. And almost done. We're going to draw a circle, circle, circle over here, and one on the other side, or three over here on the other side actually. Those are his little toes, little triangles for his toenails near the top of each circle. I'll let you pause while you draw those. Now, right above these feet, we're just going to draw a couple more crease lines in the jacket, because the jacket's folding up on top of his feet. Just about done with Baby Yoda. Give him a couple hairs. And then draw the background of whatever space planet he's on. So in this particular one, it's a crazy mountain background. You can draw stars, add any kind of space details you want. And then the ground that he is on himself. Sign your name. And we're done. That is Baby Yoda. Thanks to Jasmine for the idea. I hope that you liked it, and hope it turns out nicely for everyone. I am Mr. Jason, and whoever wins the Wheel of Art can let us know what we're going to draw next time. Thanks. Have a wonderful rest of your Fun Friday.